Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Outrage. Outrage means strong anger, shock, or indignation. For example, her voice trembled with outrage. Her voice trembled with outrage. Synonyms: indignation, fury, anger.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Eloquent leaders with strong voices of unmediated outrage have emerged. Now, repeat after me. Eloquent leaders with strong voices of unmediated outrage have emerged. The second exemplar. 5 voices rose to a shout of outrage and indignation. Now, repeat after me. 5 voices rose to a shout of outrage and indignation. The third exemplar. The chamber sparked public outrage by doing so at the time. Now, repeat after me. The chamber sparked public outrage by doing so at the time.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Only 2 English words in current use end in "gry". They are angry and hungry.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.